My dear students, now discussion of short answer questions based on interaction between two bodies, right? And between two bodies means between charged body and uncharged body. And second question is based on source of charge. What is the source of charge, right? Now children, first question. Why does a plastic comb rubbed with dry hair attract tiny pieces of paper? The process is rubbing. It means friction. When any plastic comb is rubbed with dry hair, then becomes negatively charged. Right? Plastic comb becomes negatively charged. And when negatively charged plastic comb is brought very close to tiny pieces of paper, small pieces of paper, then what happens? Development of force. Which type of force? Attractive force. Then interaction occurs between negatively charged comb and small pieces of paper. What is the cause of this interaction? What is the cause of attraction between negatively charged comb and small pieces of paper? This figure is showing single piece of paper. Okay children? When negative comb is brought close, very close to small pieces of paper, then one end of piece of paper becomes positively charged. This end of this small piece of paper is very close to this negatively charged comb, right? This becomes positively charged and another end negatively charged. Then children, interaction occurs. Then attraction occurs between negatively charged comb and positive end of a small piece of paper. All small pieces of paper attract towards negatively charged comb. Okay children, what is the cause of this attractive force? Development of charges. By which process? By induction process. Right? This process is induction. Right? Now second, how rubbing charges very objects. By friction, then what is produced? Charge. Okay children, now this figure is showing object, single object. Any object is made up of small particles. Right? And small particles or tiny particles are known as atoms. Like this. Small particles are known as atoms. Right? An atom contains two types of charged particles. Right? One type of charge is positive charge. Which particles are positively charged in any atom? Protons are positively charged. This P plus is showing proton, scientific notation of proton. And which particles are negatively charged? E minus, it means electrons. Right? How many types of charges are present in any atom? Two types of charges. Positive charge and negative charge. What is the position of positive charge? Central position. And negative charge around this positive center. Okay children. Now second condition, how rubbing charges various objects. After rubbing, for example this, according to this figure is showing after rubbing, when one object becomes negatively charged, then what is the cause of negative charge? This figure, this notation is showing negative particle is accepted by the object. Not only one group of negative particles, but this notation is showing acceptance or gain of negative particles. In the absence of negative particles, object is neutral, charge is absent. But after rubbing, this is one possibility. Right? If object accepts negative particles, then becomes negatively charged. Okay children, object plus electron and then right hand side, this is the final charge. This is negatively charged object. Difference between left hand side and right hand side. This is neutral, charge is absent, but this is negatively charged. What is the cause of negative charge? Gain of negative particles, and negative particles are electrons, right? Now second possibility, if any object loses negative particles, what is the direction of negative particles or electrons? The right hand side. This right hand side is showing loss of negative particles, just opposite of first state. Any object loses electrons, then becomes positively charged. Okay children, then what is the cause of charges? How rubbing charges various objects? By loss of electrons, right? By loss of electrons. By loss of electrons, then object becomes positively charged, and which accepts electrons becomes negatively charged. Okay children, rubbing is also known as friction, and in friction what happens? Production of equal and opposite charges, equal in magnitude and opposite in nature, right? Right? This process is called rubbing or friction.